Hey, and welcome to our awesome tutorial on how to make some delicious homemade ice cream with Rachel, Emma, and me, Ariana. Let's jump right into it, and I'm sure you'll love it.
Ingredients that you will need. You will need 1 cup of half and half, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, then 1/2 of pure vanilla extract, then you will need 1/3 cup of kosher salt, then you need 3 cups of ice, and a small sandwich bag and a 1 gallon size sandwich bag, which is all the way down there, but
First, you're going to need your gallon-sized bag, your salt, and your ice. Put the ice and salt in the gallon-sized bag and shake for 2 minutes.
next you will need to take your half and half and your sugar and your vanilla extract and put it in a sandwich bag. Make sure it's closed and then put it into your gallon-sized bag with your ice and salt.
Then you're going to want to shake your whole mixture for 5 to 7 minutes or until it gets creamy.
Now, take it out of the bag and put it into a bowl. You can add any toppings of your choice, like sprinkles, cherries, and gummy bears. We really hope you enjoyed our tutorial and that you found it useful. And enjoy!